Hello YouTube, welcome back to another video. For today, I'm going to be teaching you all how to turn any phone, Android phone, into an iPhone. Let's see, shall we? So first off, I'm just going to grab my phone. Here's my room, by the way. Okay, I'm going to grab my phone. Bam. Now what you want to do is just download an app. Basically what you want to do is just download an app called iPhone, just search for turn your Android into iPhone in the Play Store. First up, let's just download the app.
5 minutes later.
Okay, the app is downloaded here, as you can see. Just open the app. Took a while. Okay, here it is. Now we can select our own wallpapers. Let's just select this one, Joe. Just get started. Allow. Just press allow. Okay, enable now. Just press that. iPhone 11 launcher. Okay, I think. Okay, wow, the app didn't work. God damn it. Yo, why can't this work? Trust me. Oh, here it is. It could get started. Come on, please work. Okay, oh, it is starting. Yes! I've turned my phone. Oh man, it's just set as default. Don't worry, you can change it anytime. Here in home screen, just select this. Trust me, you can change it anytime. Bam! We've changed our Android device into an iPhone. That is very rad. Okay guys, that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And yeah, goodbye. I'll see you later.